In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your verification code not received. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're using a two-factor authentication method, whether it's an email or a phone number, or using like an authenticator application. There's a few different things that you want to go ahead and do if you're not getting a verification code sent to you. That could be really frustrating. Now, the most obvious things you want to do, regardless of whatever phone you're on, is when it's sending a verification code, firstly, let's say if it's an email, make sure you're actually signed into that email on your phone. If it's a phone number, make sure it's the correct phone number. I've had instances where they've, incorrectly typed my phone number, which is obviously why I'm not getting the verification code. And for the Authenticator app, what I want to go ahead and do, I'm going to go to settings, scroll all the way down, go to apps, and then from here, I want to type in Google. And then it's going to show Authenticator. So if that doesn't show up like that, I'm going to see Authenticator right there. So go ahead and click on that. And you want to make sure that notifications are on for this. And if it's still not working, go to background app refresh and enable that as well. Now, once you're done with that, what you also want to go ahead and do is swipe down on the top right. It's going to bring up your control panel. Make sure your Wi-Fi and mobile data are turned on. And more importantly, make sure you're not on airplane mode. If you're on airplane mode, you're not going to be able to receive any sort of verification code, whether you're using email, phone number, or a verification app. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.